Hey everybody, it's Weed and Freak 976. Mike Tackett here, the old truth teller, with the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. Ladies and gentlemen, I've done some very important videos, none more important than this. So let's get to it. Ladies and gentlemen, I've done videos busting.
Ook, ook, geek, geek. Hey, what are you doing?
Ah! I never signed up for a monkey and a rabbit. Gee.
Go get your own page, buddy. Yeah, go get your own page. Ook, ook, geek, geek. Hello, everybody. It's time for another exciting episode of Mr. Monkey and Mr. Hopper in the Great Car Chase. Well, Mr. Monkey. Mr. Man? Mr. Hopper. Sorry about that there, folks. We get a little confused. Well, Mr. Hopper, it's time to go for another cool, great ride. Okay, let's go. Boink. Boink. It's me, folks, King Zord. And boy, do I got a doozy of an idea. I think I'll use my super car, thank you, Owen, to go and chase that no good razzafrattin' Mr. Monkey and Mr. Hopper. Who's with me?
Do wackadoo, wackadoo, whack, whack, whack. Count me in. I'm gonna be riding the driver. Count me in too. I wanna get that old Mr. Monkey, Mr. Hopper.
Alright, gang. Pop in. Here we go. Baby, I'm flying like a bat out of a volcano, baby. Born to be wild. Boy, that guy going awful fast there, Mr. Hopper. Yeah, I know. I wonder where he's going to. Some kind of party or something. I don't know. Shut up! I'm trying to get to Mr. Monkey and Mr. Hopper. I said be quiet. I'm trying to get there. 7 miles later. Well, we've drove for 7 miles, gang, and we haven't seen no sign of Mr. Monkey or Mr. Hopper.
I hate to tell you this, King Zord, but like Mr. Metroid was trying to tell you, we passed them 7 miles back.
What? 7 miles back? Okay, fine. We'll just sit here and wait for him.
Okay.
You think there's something wrong with the car, Mr. Hopper? I don't know, Mr. Monkey, but I sure hope it ain't nothing, because I'm allergic to oil. I break out in oil bumps and goose bumps, and I don't have any geese. Well, I had a geese once when I was a little kid, but he flew south for the winter. Okay, let's see if we can fix it. 7 hours later. So, do you have any twosies? No, I don't. Go for... You know, for Pete's sake, by the time Speedy Gonzales and the Roadrunner get here, the doggone episode will be over. So let's just get back in the car and go find those two bozos.
Sounds like a good idea to me, boss.
Hello, Mr. Penguin. Do wackadoo, wackadoo. Let's go. Uh-oh. Looks like car trouble. We better stop and help these two, whoever they are, and then get moving. Oh, looks like you guys are having some car trouble. Yeah, we can't get this thing started. You got any jumper cables? Yeah, as a matter of fact, I do. Really? Could you mind giving us a jump? Because we really could use it. Yeah, like we really could use it real bad. Okay. Shut up, Mr. Nutsoid. I am trying to help these people here. I said be quiet. I'm trying to help these nice people so we can go chase Mr. Monkey and Mr. Hopper. Okay, hold on, guys. Okay, get in your car. Okay. How about that? That worked. How about that? That worked. No, not yet. What was that? That was the horn. That was a horn. I was loud enough to wake up the dead. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Thanks a lot, buddy. Oh, no problem. You kids have a nice day. And drive safely. We will. You know, folks, there ain't nothing that does my heart well and to help somebody.
King George, I got a question for you.
Yes?
Why did you let Mr. Monkey and Mr. Hopper get away?
But that was Mr. Monkey and Mr. Hopper? What did you bozos tell me? Boing, 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 boing. Hurry up, you bozos. Goodness. We've got to get back in the car. Come on. Yeah, let's get back in the car, everybody. Come on, let's get back in the car, everybody. Well, let's back up. Oh, for Pete's sake, we hit somebody. What in the world is going on next? A Sunday driver, no doubt. Hey, Granny, roll down the doggone window so I can see you.
I can't roll down the window. The window's stuck. You have to go to the other side.
Well, daggone it. I'll just go around here to the other side. Hey, you, roll down the window in there. Hey, you, Mr. Big Mouth, open up the window. Boing. You know, folks, it's times like this I just should have stayed in bed.
Ooh, go, gaga, baby, ooh, ooh, baby, eek, eek. Hold on to your baby booty, folks. There's gonna be a woo, woo.
I should have just stayed in bed.
No, look, mommy, no, look, Granny, he's over there. He's making fun of me. He's making fun of me.
I'm not sticking your tongue out me. I'm sticking my tongue out because I'm passed out.
No, you're sticking your tongue on me.
Well, Mr. Hopper, we did it. We made our new car adventure fun. Yeah, I know, it runs just like brand new. Hey, who was that guy anyway? I don't know, but I'm sure glad it wasn't King Zorg. Yeah, I know. Yep, let's go home, Mr. Hopper. Bye-bye, bye-bye.